Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Quantum Genesis token. Now the Quantum Genesis token is just starting their pre-sale, brand new token. Ticker symbol is QGEN. We're going to go over the Quantum Genesis token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here, as usual, at QGEN Token. If I remember, I'm also going to put a link to their pre-sale pinned to the top of the comment section and at the top of the description box. Most likely it'll be there unless my brain goes somewhere else. But it says, born from chaos, built for survival, QGEN is the beginning of the quantum resistant future. Join the Genesis. So if you go to this Twitter, they only have 4 tweets so far. Just joined April 2025. You can see it's a brand new project. But they do have a link to their Telegram right there and their webpage. So the Telegram is at QGEN Token ANN. And that is short for announcement, because this is the announcement channel for updates and new token listings, partnerships, etc. 4,873 subscribers on the Telegram, and you can preview the channel before joining. And then the webpage is quantumgenesis.io. They also have a full white paper where you go over there, and they also have a different Telegram as well, which is a community chat Telegram. So there's the announcement one, and then there's the discussion one. And the discussion one's at Quantum Genesis HQ, and that's where you could talk to other holders, community members, etc. If you want to get involved with the pre-sale, you head over to their webpage. Like I said, most likely I'll put a link down below. You can buy the token with ETH, USDT, or USDC. So first of all, you would need a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You would fund that wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH. You would go right through the link that's down below. Then you would connect your wallet to the page, and then you punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many tokens you get for that amount. You click purchase, and then when the pre-sale is over, you would claim your tokens. It's pretty straightforward. Now, Quantum Genesis, what is this project all about here? First of all, actually, you could find this token listed on coinsniper.net. I forgot to mention that. And they also have a full audit. So you can find the full audit on their webpage. You can find all the links on coinsniper.net, including the contract address, which will take you to their Etherscan there. But they do have a full audit by Solid Proof, and it's always a good idea to check out full audits before investing in anything. So what is Quantum Genesis? Quantum Genesis is the meme coin with a mission to protect the future of blockchain from the looming threat of quantum computing. What began as a community-driven meme movement has quickly evolved into a serious initiative backed by real infrastructure, real development, and a bold vision for the future of decentralized finance. Why start with memes and games? Well, we're launching not only a token, but a journey, one that begins playfully with memes and a gamified experience but grows into a powerful, secure, and quantum resilient ecosystem. The QGEN project is designed to captivate, reward, and evolve. Our NFT collection and upcoming play-to-earn game will immerse the community in lore-driven engagement while gradually onboarding users into the next generation blockchain utility. Who is behind Quantum Genesis? Well, the Quantum Genesis core team are also the founders of Space Union and Astrolight, organizations with strong partnerships across aerospace and cybersecurity sectors, including strategic relationships with Airbus, Toshiba, TSAT, and many others. Their experience is in secure satellite communication and distributed infrastructure and is now being used to protect the crypto world. So the tokenomics, it says here, they're, like I mentioned before, it's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find the contract address real easy on coinsniper.net. If you go in the pre-sale section and you find this token, or you could just search QGEN or Quantum Genesis in the search bar. You'll be able to find the contract address in the Etherscan. But there is a total supply of 1 billion QGEN tokens. Now, how the tokens are allocated, we have 40% going to the pre-sale, 15% to staking rewards. So you are going to be able to stake this token to acquire rewards, and then they have 15% of the tokens going to team and partners, and then 20% going to liquidity and central exchanges. So after the pre-sale is over, most likely it'll be listed on Uniswap because that's where Ethereum tokens go. So if you're watching this video way later, you'll be able to get the token off Uniswap and the pre-sale's over. And then we'll have to wait and find out what central exchange listings they get. And that's why it's a good idea to follow the Twitter and the Telegram announcement channel. And then lastly, 10% of the tokens go to marketing. Now they have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1, the Genesis phase is the website launch, smart contract deployment, community building, and then the pre-sale launch. So that's where we're at right now. Phase 2 is Quantum Leap, token launch and decentralized exchange listing, CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listings, Genesis game prototype, earn as you play mechanics. Phase 3 is the infrastructure initiation, Genesis core chain testnet. So they're going to come out with their own chain, it says. Ground and orbital node tests, cross-chain bridge development, AI governance, quantum identity prototype, and then phase 4, the last phase, is the decentralized evolution with the mainnet launch, global node campaign, quantum DAO activation, post-quantum wallet release, and global awareness campaign. So go check this token out. Like I said, I'm going to try to remember to leave a link down below so you guys can find this token here. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.